I'm Joe. Welcome back to a new video. As you guys can see around me, I am currently in a cabin on a beautiful cruise ship. We got Diana right behind the camera right here, looking at the beautiful view.
I love watching the ocean. We're so close to it and it's so beautiful. But we are here on this cruise to celebrate a special someone this week.
And it's just me and Diana cruising, so who knows, it might be Diana's birthday, who knows?
It's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. Just kidding, it's gonna be Joe's birthday. He's gonna be turning a big 30 this year.
Big 30? What the heck? I don't know if I'm turning a big 30, what the heck? I'm turning the big 18 years old.
The big 30.
Guys, don't listen to her, guys. She's playing around. I'm not turning 30. I'm turning 18 years old this week. Diana already got her drinking going on right there, as you guys can see. It looks a little bit watered down, but it's okay.
It's a Long Island. Also, let me show you guys something. I want to show them something.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be hiding a lot of ducks. It's currently the week before Christmas, so we're gonna be hiding a lot of ducks out there for the kids, also for the adults, also because you know we like to collect ducks as well. We got a whole bunch of ducks on deck. Show them again. We got a whole bunch of ducks on deck. Check it out. Hey, show them the little tags. Check it out, guys. We got them for the kids and also for the adults because you know the adults loves ducks too. We collect them as well. Check it out. You got duck, and then we got the little YouTube channel. Happy holidays. Oh yeah. So guys, if you find any of these, make sure you guys comment down below in any one of our videos so that we know that, hey yo, you got ducked by us.
By us, from Diana and Joe from Texas.
So we're gonna go ahead to go get some food, and then we're gonna hit the gym. We got chest and back today. Also guys, if you guys haven't realized, we've been on Harmony multiple times. So when it comes to activities, yeah, we'll still do some activities, but there hasn't been any new activities lately because we sell so often on Harmony. So we're just kind of gonna wing it throughout the day. We're still gonna have a lot of fun. Y'all guys stay tuned. Let's go out there. Enough with the talking. By the way, guys, we were just playing around. I'm not turning 30, nor am I turning 18. I'm actually turning 27 this week on Thursday. Today is currently Monday, so
Big 27.
I wanted a birthday cruise, and Diana surprised me with a birthday cruise. I just wanted to get out of the States for a little bit and just have some fun over on the ocean. I like being anywhere in the ocean. I like being just traveling. I love traveling. So yeah, guys, so we woke up a little bit late. It's currently like 1, so we're heading to the Windjammer. We're gonna grab a quick bite to eat, then hit the gym.
Our breakfast time is always our lunch time. To everyone else.
That's not true. That's not true.
I want to hide the duck. I think I found a place on where to hide. Because you know how it's white, so kind of like.
Show them the duck real quick. It's actually a Christmas duck. Oh. That's it. Let's hide them real quick. Oh, that's a nice little hiding spot. That's a nice little hiding spot. Hopefully nobody's. Oh, there's a whole family that just saw us put that duck all the way up there. See? Can y'all see it?
That's a good.
That's actually a good little spot. Hey, they're jamming out here. We just made it to the Windjammer. They jamming.
Gotta wash your hands.
Dad don't ever wash his washies. She just acts like it on camera every time. Washy before you yummy. Alright, so we just had our breakfast, aka our lunch. It was just supposed to be a snack before the gym, so we won't feel as full in the gym, but it turned into like a dinner type of meal.
Yeah, I'm super full.
And now we're walking our way through Central Park.
Show them the view.
They do Christmas. I got Christmas lights up in Central Park right now. Check it out. Oh, pretty. Man, we gotta take some photos out here.
Yeah, I think last year whenever we came, they didn't have like so many lights like this, right?
Oh yeah.
This is the first year, even in the promenade.
Oh yeah, the promenade is all lit up and everything. We'll show y'all guys in a bit. But as of right now, we're making our way across the ship because I believe the fitness/spa is on the opposite side. So we're making our way through. The ship is a bit packed this cruise.
I told you it was more packed.
I'm assuming a lot of families are traveling for Christmas, basically.
For the Christmas vibe.
Oh yeah. Wait till I put on my Christmas suit. I brought the Grinch right here with me. So it turns out I was wrong. We're on floor 8. It's actually on floor 6.
many times have you been on this ship? I told you it was in the 6th. I still get lost.
We've been on this ship multiple times. I thought I had it right. Oh, this girl's making me take the stairs for my birthday.
Just because it's your birthday don't mean that you can take the stairs. This is your quick warm up.
We made it down to floor 6 though. And 2 plates and 35?
2 plates.
I mean 2 35s?
Yeah.
That's a lot of weight. That's like a plate and 25 on each side. 70 on each side right here. Oh yeah. Name a female stronger than her. I'll wait. I'm gonna put the sponge on me. Alright, so we stopped by the little utility spa bar, I believe. Something like that. I got a pure protein shake. Bet, what'd you get, Bet?
I got the same thing. I'm usually not a big fan of them, but I need something in my system. But yours comes with peanut butter, mine doesn't.
And after a nice workout, 70 grams of protein, there ain't no beating that. So we're gonna wait right here. We're gonna get our little drink skis going. They got the nail salon over there. Bet, you want your nails done, Bet?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you next year, don't worry, Bet.
They need to, what the heck, dude? They need to get done. Don't show my nails. Oh, I wanna go get a massage. Can you pay for my massage?
How'd you feel about today's workout? Back in chest.
It felt nice, but
the ship kept rocking. So if y'all guys work out a lot, the ship will rock a lot. So basically, you gotta like kind of concentrate on balancing, but at the same time pushing the weight. So that's the only thing that kind of like, I guess you could say, sucks in a way. Yeah. But I mean, it just depends also what the weather it is outside and such. So it won't always be shaky like this. But lately, well, today and yesterday's been pretty rough.
Yeah, well, we came out from Galveston, so it was pretty bad weather.
And what'd you just get?
We received a coin, a Merry Christmas coin.
Look at that. That's a nice Christmas coin. That's nice. Oh yeah.
It says Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, that's a good luck coin. Going to the casino with that.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, we just got our protein shake. I got me a vanilla with banana. What'd you get?
I got me just a regular protein shake, double scoops with a banana and a scoop of peanut butter.
Usually I'm not a big fan of these, but today it's pretty good. Did you like yours?
Oh yeah. Especially after a nice gym session, this is the spot. 70 grams of protein, like I said, you can't beat that. even though on the cruise ship, we're more than likely gonna hit the protein goals for how much we'd be in the buffet and stuff.
Yeah.
But this is gonna add on. Too. Check out the promenade, guys. They decorated for Christmas. That looks beautiful. They even got the Christmas tree right there off in the distance. I don't know if you can see it. We'll get a closer look at it in a bit. But it is the week before Christmas, so they decided to go all out for Christmas. I like it. And then right over here, we got some gingerbread houses. Look, check this out.
Oh, I love the pink one.
Look at that.
It's so good.
And then at the end of the cruise, we get to eat all this, right? We get to eat all this at the end of the cruise?
Yeah.
No, we don't. But check it out, guys. They have a gingerbread house, or they have gingerbread houses on the promenade. They went all out for Christmas. This is beautiful.
Which one's your favorite? My favorite is that one.
My favorite is all of it. It's like a little small town. It looks nice. And they got a little Sancho Claus right there. 2 Sancho Clauses. And then they got big old Christmas balls up there. A beautiful Christmas tree down there. I bet. I'm feeling the Christmas spirit right now, girl.
Yeah, we were here wearing shorts in the Christmas vibes, but...
Oh yeah. As you guys don't know, I got this cruise for Diana's Christmas present.
That's not true. We're celebrating his birthday this week. That's what it is.
You guys let me know down in the comments if it's right to celebrate or to give your man his birthday gift and say it's his Christmas present at the same time. Because that's unfair.
It's not fair. I think it's pretty fair because 2 expensive gifts on 2 different days.
I don't know about that. If you're a December baby and y'all guys have to deal with getting your Christmas present and your birthday gift at the same exact time, let me know down in the comments down below. But if just got ourselves some Sorrento's pizza. We were in the casino for about an hour or two. We're not gonna talk about that. We're not talking about how much we're down. But we did get some pizza, so at the end of the day, that's a win. It's a win. In my book, that's a win because I love pizza. I don't really eat pizza back at home. I love it. I try to watch a little bit of my carb intake back at home. But when I'm on a cruise, we vibe. Anyways, check out what we got. Oh yeah. How was the casino, man? As you guys can tell, we're in a good mood. So, anyways, we're gonna tear up this pizza and we see you in a bit. We just came from outside. As you guys can see, it's very gloomy. It's a little bit cool outside, not gonna lie. It's a little bit cool. So if you're leaving from Galveston, expect it to be a little bit somewhat cool on sea days. But Diana, check out what Diana got. She got some ice cream. I know, mommy.
I was already full from the pizza, but I was kind of craving. I was having my, sweet tooth moment.
Must be nice. Gracias. Si estás mirando esto, eso es para ti. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Para ti vamos a hablar español este video. Ahorita para la familia de Dianita, suegra. Ahorita vamos para abajo, ahorita vamos a ir a chequear qué vamos a hacer para hoy. Pero si tú viste, Diana está comiendo un gelito y una nieve. We're walking through Wonderland right now, or walking past Wonderland. If y'all guys ever had a Wonderland, make sure you guys let us know down in the comments if you highly recommend it or not. I've never tried it, but I heard you have to have like basically what is it called? What are you doing? What are you doing? What the heck? I heard you can't be picky with food when it comes to Wonderland, from what I've heard. This is Wonderland right here. Look at it. Check it out. We're actually walking through a Wonderland right now. We've never been to Wonderland, but this is pretty. This is beautiful. Maybe this cruise will give out Wonderland a try. Check it out though. Got the stars on the ceiling and such. I've heard some pretty good things about Wonderland. What happened?
They got some cotton candy right there.
That kind of candy. Oh, we can just grab them. Did I just grab one? Anyways, but yeah, this is Wonderland. It's 2 stories. I didn't even know it was 2 stories, but that's pretty cool. Look at that. With the view of the Aqua Theater and such. This is my first time being in Wonderland.
Actually pretty cute. I think here's where you do the cupcake decorating stuff, right?
I'm not sure. I think so, actually.
Yeah.
We're gonna decorate cupcakes this cruise or what?
It's an extra fee, but maybe. You wanna do it?
This right here is the Wonderland menu right here.
Cupcakes.
If y'all guys want to pause the video and see that.
A cupcake.
It's not a cupcake. I want a nasty looking cupcake.
What the heck is good? This is how the lights look. Almost nighttime, but you can still see the lights. It's so cute.
They almost look as pretty as me.
Yeah, the lights. We're out here in the Trillis bar. We just got our drinks.
Oh yeah, I got a mojito. Diana got herself, what did you get?
Pretty in pink.
Oh yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Holy snap. Mine is strong.
Mine's strong. Mine's very, very minty.
So we just made it to the Windjammer. We are about to eat dinner.
Ooh, yeah. We got the steak, mashed potatoes, chicken, steak, and chicken cordon bleu.
Ooh, I got the same thing. Except for this. What was this, babe?
I
think pork something. Yeah. It's gonna be my first time trying it.
Then
and some bread.
The best bread you can get on this cruise ship. You guys know, you know. And of course you got the Caesar salad with extra dressing.
Yummy.
Dude, Diana's been craving her a crepe. And check it out, look. They have crepes here.
asking Joe for a crepe for like, oh.
Oh yeah, she's been craving crepes like crazy. Look at the amount of sugar she put on there. So Diana and I decided to bring our little snacks over to the room. Diana got herself a nice, beautiful crepe that she created on her own with some chocolate inside. Sorry, I was showing y'all the wall. And some whipped cream. And then we're on two different vibes. I just got fruit.
You got the healthy and then the unhealthy side.
Oh yeah. But speaking of being in the room, check out what we got. A little puppy.
Is it a puppy?
Yeah, it's a little lizard. It's a little Lily.
Lizard.
It's a little Lily. We have a dog named Lily, so we got Lily over on the bed right now.